Well, since my battery for my truck, I always like to go with a little bigger battery than stock, and they never fit in the stock location for a 73 to 87 Chevy battery box. I've got a pretty good battery box. It's in decent shape. Just a little surface rust, but it's solid. But I'm not going to use it. We're going to build a custom battery box. I've got a little bit of a start on it already. Not exactly sure how I want it to turn out yet. Sometimes those kind of projects turn out like crap, and sometimes they turn out great. But probably just do it as I go, figure it out as I go. May end up redoing it. Sometimes it's like that, but unless I have a chance to put a little more thought into it, I'm just gonna play it by ear and build myself a little bit bigger and hopefully a more stylish and stronger battery box for the old Chevy. It'll go in the stock location, use probably most of the stock holes, but like I said, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet. Just going to gather parts, see what I've got, and play it by ear. I got a start on that battery box last night, and I don't like how it's looking. It looks to me more like a miniature version of what a farmer might feed hay out of or something. I don't know. It looks like crap. Anyway, I'm going to cut off what I started with yesterday, and I've got a better idea. I woke up this morning with a headache and a good idea. Sometimes I get headaches from having good ideas. Anyway, I got this is the bottom plate. That's going to stay the way it is. I'm going to use these bars all the way around it. I just don't like it. Looks kind of silly. Looks pretty generic. I just wasn't feeling very creative yesterday, so I'm just going to cut my welds off. Right there. Cut these welds and start fresh with how I'm going to do the sides.
Done?
Yep. My fan quit working. I just put guards on it so the boys wouldn't get their fingers in it if they decided to mess around, and the capacitor blew and started leaking. It's like 90 degrees today in central Iowa with like whatever percent humidity, and my fan quit working. I've had it for like 15 years, so I'll have to find a capacitor for it. There's the progress on the battery box. Got it, all the mounts made. Now I'll finish the surround and then work on the hold down. All recycled material, by the way. This was a piece from an old shipping crate. These are both pieces from I don't know what. I just had access to a handful of them and grabbed them. These are parts of something else. And this is some pipe stock, tube stock that I had around from something else. It's all repurposed stuff, recycled, repurposed, whatever you want to call it. Nothing, no new materials here. Done. I think it turned out pretty well. Good and functional. Looks good. Strong and shouldn't rust as fast as a stock one. Anyway, hope you learned something. Do it yourself. Take the initiative. Get dirty. Be proud. Love your wife. Love your husband. Later.